Guys, I have such a cool game for you. The winner, it's all the candy. Just look at how cool it turns out to be. You roll the dice, 6 candies, and walk. And if you're lucky, you will eat all the candies. And I'm gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, you can eat all the candies or still share it with a friend, because this is so tasty. Jolly eating candy contest. So let's make it together. For this we need colored paper, scissors, plastic cups, lollipops or small candies, glue or an adhesive tape, any character from Jolly Battle, a ruler, and a pencil. We cut off the bottom of plastic cups, or we can get some caps from the bottle and cut out small gaps in them on both sides. We glue the characters. Today we will play with the comic team. Cut out 2 strips from colored paper. Be careful, they have to fit the size of gaps in the cups. Bend the edges of one of the strips. Glue one strip to another. The base of the toy is ready. Cut 2 strips of 1 inch each from the paper of a different color and glue them so that one long strip comes out. Draw a mark right in the middle. We lay out the sweets and place our characters on the sides. The game is ready. Now it remains to gather cheerful company and stock up on sweets. There we have 2 players. On rock, paper, scissors, you decide who rolls the dice first. And you roll the dice and move the street towards you on the dice. The game ends when one of the players drags all the candies to his side over the line in the middle. The winner has all the sweets. Of course, you can play again or share. Even more cool games that you can make yourself can be found on our channel. Subscribe, share videos with your friends, and join the Jolly Battle community on social networks. I went on to eat all the candies. Oh, I said it out loud. Until next time,